do you think would be the right thing to do now?
My daughter has a problem of socialization with her friends, and probably it will really affect soon her academic performances. So I don't think that I can give you a suggestion. I just want to leave it to you.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for entrusting me.
Yes.
You said earlier that you go home late because of your work. So
Yes.
I must suggest that you can go home early as much as you can to have fun with your daughter, or sometimes when you are free, um, invite her to go outside, have fun with them, funny with her, and probably on Sundays, that's a family day, so it will be more memorable for her and adjust her social skills also.
Thank you, Mom. That's a good idea. I will apply it.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I appreciate taking this seriously. Again, Stine is a good student, and it's a pleasure to have her in my class. Your child is a good student because you are an interested parent.